Hello, viewers. Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Aquarius for the month of January 2021. This reading includes all the few 4 weeks of January. So let's see what cards have to say. All right, Aquarius. Okay, so this is the energy of the month for you, that is the lovers reversed. This shows me that there could be some kind of a conflict between you and your partner. Maybe the opinions don't match regarding something, and it could also be the fight could also be related to some physical intimacy issues. So the energies are suggesting that rather than taking any impulsive decision, it's better that you sit down, talk, give time to each other, and sort things out calmly. Moving towards the first week, the cards are Ten of Pentacles reverse, the Hangman, and Death card. So I see a major transformation taking place here. You were expecting something from your loved ones and family, and unfortunately you were not able to get that. Moreover, you were also expecting that by this time you will be able to provide some safety and security to your family members, but unfortunately that also did not happen. And somewhere you are not even doing too much about it. You are in a unstable position, but somewhere you feel that it is okay, and you're not, because your family members or people who are dependent on you, they are not seeing any kind of willingness to do anything in your overt behavior. Maybe that is why they are not happy with you, and they maybe that might also lead to some kind of a fight or an argument between you and your partner. So things are changing pretty fast. Things are going to change. This transformation is going to take place, and it will be unexpected. So but the good thing is, whatever will happen after that is going to be a new beginning, and things will start working for better. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are Two of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords reverse. So again, I see a little bit of confusion here, lack of clarity, and you will have certain things in your hand, but you will not know how to go about it. I see you working very hard. Maybe you're not clear about the direction, where to work hard, what to do, how to do, but still you are working hard. So again, the cards are suggesting you to get a little bit of clarity rather than just putting it your physical energy into something. Just find out where to put this energy into, like exactly find out the path and start working towards it, because otherwise it's just making you stressed out and overburdened and not taking you to any destination. So that is important. Moving towards the third week, the cards are Page of Pentacles reversed, King of Cups reversed, and Knight of Pentacles reversed. So all three cards are reversed here. One is Page, King, and Knight. So people grow from first stage to second stage and third stage, physically, mentally, emotionally. But here I'm seeing that you had grown, but you are again going back to from a wise person to an immature person to a basically someone who doesn't care. So there has been time in your life where you started caring for other people, starting understanding other people, starting being more mature. But I don't know what has happened in your life. Why are you again going back uh, from a man to child? So that kind of an immature behavior again. I don't know why you are not caring about that kind of a behavior. Why you're not caring about how your family, how your loved ones are going to feel about it. You are just doing certain things which are not making other people happy. Maybe you are feeling good about it, but it is not the ultimate happiness even for you, and it is not going to give you any benefit, even if it is going to short term happiness to you. Moving towards the fourth week, the cards are King of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, and Page of Wands reversed. So Again, here I feel that you have come from a place, again I'm saying this, where there was stability, where there was power, where there was where you could take good decisions of your life for yourself, for other people, everybody. But something has happened which is just making you feel very stressed out. You're feeling depressed, you're not able to sleep properly at night, you are getting some nightmares and getting up at night because emotionally you are not happy. It is just giving you some kind of thoughts, something which has happened in past is giving you a lot of pain here, and you're not able to move out of it. You're not able to take good decisions in your life, you're not able to take action towards something, and maybe that is the reason you are just trying to enjoy your present and not thinking too much about future and not thinking about other people's feelings, because maybe you have thought about other people's feelings in past and you did not get a good result out of it. So maybe that is the thing which is happening here in this month. But the only suggestion is don't take any impulsive decision. Sit down, talk to people. There are people who love you and care for you and they want good for you. So that's about it. Still, if you have any doubt, please write to us. And if there is any uh, if you want to go for your personalized reading, you can call us, contact us, as we are offering 20% off for this month. And you can also read your daily readings by following us on Instagram and Facebook. So that's about it. Good luck.